Hey guys, just arrived in Washington. I'm so excited. First time in Washington DC. But first off, we're going to have some dinner just outside the hotel. And tomorrow, the plan is to go biking. Well, see you then. So as usual, we are gonna test the bed. Well guys, I'm so tired right now. Just finished dinner and tomorrow I hope we will go biking with my colleagues. So for now, good night and see you tomorrow. I heard that the breakfast here at the hotel is really good, so I'm really curious for tomorrow. First time and first night in Washington DC. So excited. Bye. Good night. Morning Washington and good morning mga chunks. Punta tayo sa breakfast. I've heard this is the best breakfast you can get en route. I'm really curious. Tignan natin kung anong offering nila. Let's go! How cool is this, guys? Haha.
Tomato.
So it's time to eat. We ordered some scrambled eggs, maybe some bagels, and some juice. Bacon. Wow. And this? Oh, burger. Up there? Hot dogs. Sausage. More sausage. Yeah. Ready?
Yes, there we go.
Oh, waarom wordt hij niet scherp? Ja.
Ik was laatst op de edit.
Wow, cool.
Metro Center.
En waarom?
Travel time 8 minutes.
Oké, top.
Did it.
Yeah!
Let's go to the White House. Scotty?
Yes!
Yes! We're on our way to the White House. Look at the train station. Wow.
Nee, als je het helemaal door hebt niet.
Let's go. Let's go.
Allow customers to exit. When boarding,
You excited?
move to the center.
En kunnen we allemaal vinden? Ja toch?
Ja.
Exits. Waar zijn die twee? 13.
Yes.
Look, Mom, what I bought for you. Washington DC, guys. Never have imagined to be here. Ganda. Good weather as well. Not too hot, not too cold. Just perfect. Sakto lang. Amazing. Ganda. Look at all these flags. I used to see this in movies, but I'm here now. Excited. Cool. En hoe vind je het tot nu toe?
Amazing.
Amazing! I can't wait to go to the Cheesecake Factory. Yeah! $360. Yeah. Welcome to Lincoln Memorial. It's here, just behind me. Cool guys, look. Wow. Amazing. Ben je blij dat je Lincoln had gezien?
Ja, echt vet
Ja?
leuk. Heel bijzonder.
Heel bijzonder.
Even op zijn schoot.
you see the White House at the background, guys? I'm here. How cool is this? Was jullie dag? So you enjoyed USA? Yes, amazing. And we are back at the hotel, and just before my flight ordered some Chinese fried rice and bought a Coke Light. It will be a long flight to go back home, but for now I'm gonna enjoy my lunch. See you later. So let's dig in. Yum. So this is my Washington adventure for now. Next week we are going to Moscow. If you like the contents of my vlog, please feel free to share, like, give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe. See you next time.